some music. Press the buttons to play. Help me. Let's learn letter sounds. Press any button to start. C makes the sound K. F makes the sound G makes the sound G. Come on. Let's learn our letters. Press any button to start. B, F. Let's learn about the animals. Press any button to start. The newt likes to eat insects. The lion is called the king of the jungle. The X-ray fish is easy to see through. The turtle has a very hard shell. Come on, let's learn to spell horse. Horse is spelled H-O-R-S-E. Press the letters to spell horse. F. Oops, try again. A. Come on, let's learn to spell bat. Bat is spelled B-A-T. Press the letters to spell bat. B-A-T. Well done. Come on, let's learn to spell. Listen, what makes this sound? Oops, try again. It's near the yak. Zebra. Well done. Will you help me find alligator? Let's learn about time. Please turn the clock to 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Hooray! Kangaroo. Hey! Alligator. Monkey. Goodbye. I hope you'll visit again soon.